Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 400 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 400 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assist package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 28,698 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE 400, visit us at feldmanimports.com.